command prompt run through. So this is my desktop, and I'm using a Mac, so terminal is what we use inside of Mac. But if you're not using a Mac, then you use an application called command.exe. And so if you're on a Windows, you can search for cmd.exe. Or you can load up the terminal on a Mac. Are you on a Mac or a Windows? Okay. I also need to share. I need to remember to share. Okay, so you see my little terminal right here. Let me go through that one more time. So terminal is what's called the command prompt, and on Windows and Mac, they're basically the same thing. Windows, you get it by going to cmd.exe. That's what you're gonna search for that in the start menu. Okay, and that's in there. But if you're on if you're on Windows, you're gonna type in ipconfig, like that, ipconfig. Now, if you're on Mac, you're going to type in ifconfig. So let me just do that again. If you're on Windows, you're going to type in ipconfig. And then you're going to press return, but I'm going to wait. And then if you're on Mac, you're going to type in ifconfig. Then you're going to press return, and then a bunch of information is going to pop up. And I have a ton of interfaces that are on my desktop. But you're going to look for your Wi-Fi and what's called your Wi-Fi interface. So you're in Hawaii right now? Did you say you're in Hawaii? Okay. It's like Wi-Fi. Hawaii, that's pretty cool. So there's so much going on here. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to find what my IP address is, and it happens to be right next to EN1. And so that's where I locate my IP address. Yes, that's correct. Yeah, that is correct. And the IP version 4 is just the long-term historical version of IP. And you can tell that IP version 4 looks like this. It has 4 numbers. And once you do those steps, you'll be able to go through the rest of the lab. Yo, you're welcome. Yeah. All right. Well, I'll save that and I'll put that online. Thank you too for making that.